Looking to save big on car repairs? Consider a used engine. They can be 50 to 70% cheaper than new ones. That's a huge win for your wallet. Plus, they're easier to find, especially for older models. No more hunting for that rare part. Choosing used is also eco-friendly. It reduces waste and demand for new manufacturing. And guess what? Used engines can be installed faster. Many are pulled from running cars, so their reliability is proven. Ready to make a smart choice? Check out your local options today.